welcome to P4 Science Lesson with me, Miss Rosa. How's your day? Are you ready for the new lesson? So in this video, we will learn a new chapter. We are going to discuss Chapter 3 about habitat and environment. So let's start. Do you know where are we? Yes, you're right. We are in mangrove swamps. Mangrove swamps are wetlands along the coast. They are habitats for many mangrove plants. So they are mangrove plants. Beside the plants, there are also some animals here. There is crocodile, and then crab, and also fish. So friends, what is a habitat? Let's find out. In this chapter 3, lesson A, you will have the learning goal. So, you will investigate the variety of animals and plants found in different habitats. What is a habitat? A place where living things live. We call it habitat. It provides the living thing with what it needs, such as food, water, shelter, and protection. So some habitats are huge, like the ocean and a forest. So the ocean is a habitat for these fish and corals, while the rotting log is a habitat for these mushrooms. Now friends, can you take a look for this picture? The garden here is a habitat that consists of smaller habitats. For example, we can see here there is a pond, and then rock, and also soil. So in the pond here, there are some living things that live here. For example, fish, tadpoles, water plants such as water lily, and then lotus. While on the soil here, there are also some living things that live here. Millipedes, ants, and rocks here. There are spiders and also worms that live there. Now, I have a question. Can a living thing be a habitat of other living things? Can you take a look for this picture? See, on the tree here, there is another plant. So, the tree is a habitat for smaller plants such as these ferns. It is also a habitat for bacteria, fungi, and animals such as ants and birds. So, what do you think, friends? Is our body also a habitat for other living things? Yes, actually, friends. Many kinds of bacteria and fungi live in our skin and in various parts of our body. Some bacteria can make us sick, but some are useful. For example, some bacteria that live in our intestines that help break down our food. Now, let's find out the example of the habitats. First is garden. What plants and animals can you find there? Look at this one. This is the habitat. Garden. So the garden is a habitat for butterfly, and then here bird nesting, spider, and also snail, pigeon, and also squirrel. The other example, seashore. So what plants and animals can you find there? Now this picture is for the seashore. So the seashore is the habitat for crab, seashells, sea star, sea anemone, seagrass, and also sea eagle. The other habitat, mangrove swamp. So what plants and animals can you find there? The mangrove swamp is the habitat for monkey, tree crab, egret, water monitor, mud skipper, mud lobster, and also the plants, mangrove trees, and the other animals, crocodile. Different plants and different animals live in different habitats. There are two kinds of habitat. The first one, water, and the second one, land. For water itself, it's divided into two groups, freshwater habitat and marine habitat. For the land, there are 5 groups. For example, rainforest habitat, Arctic tundra habitat, grassland habitat, desert habitat, and also woodland habitat. This is the end of our lesson, friends. So let's recap what we have discussed. First, a habitat is the place where a living thing lives. The habitat provides food, water, and shelter, also protection. An ocean, a rotting log, garden, a tree, and a seashore, and also a mangrove swamp are examples of the habitat. Different animals and plants live in different habitats. So, is it clear, friends? Thank you so much for watching the explanation for the lesson today. See you on the next lesson. Bye!